Okay, first of all, this is the ribbon cable. The function of the ribbon cable is to connect the external connection. And then this one is the floppy disk. Floppy disk is used to store and retrieve information. And then this one is hard disk. Hard disk is used to store and receive digital information. This one is DVD. The function of DVD is used to store data storage. And then this one is expansion slot. The function of expansion slot is to insert an expansion card which provide the additional features. And then this one is video card. The function of video card is to generate output image to a display. This one is fan. Function of fan is for cooling purpose. And then this one is RAM. RAM is used for computer data storage and store files. Okay. This one is CPU. The function of CPU is to carry out the computer function. This one is power supply. It is used to convert electric current from a source to a correct voltage. Yes. And then this one is SATA cable. SATA cable is used to connect host bus adapters to mass storage devices such as hard disk.